Okay, I wanted to show you real quick what I made. I made a saffron rice with some chicken. Those are drumsticks. I cooked the chicken with garlic, onion, and bell pepper and bay leaves. Then I soaked some saffron, and I basically use the same technique as the Spanish rice, where I saute the rice. I added, this is not only rice, but it's basmati, and I found this, chickpea. And then after I cooked the rice for a little bit, I sauteed the rice, and then I added the liquids from the chicken, and I discarded the saffron leaves. I'll show you what they look like. You get them little packages like this, or Trader Joe's has it. It's very expensive. This was given to me, and I just I strained it, and then I put the liquid, and that's where the color is. You can add more color. I added a little bit of the cumin, the sumac, some salt. I didn't have any pepper. I didn't want to put black pepper in it because I want to keep it nice and clean looking. I like the white pepper. And then I added some of this. This is kind of like my favorite. And I added some garlic. And instead of the bouillon, I added the nutritional yeast superfood. Okay? And just a tad bit of the salt. And that's what I made. And then this is the I'm gonna call it, well, I'll show you in the next clip what I made. Okay, all right.